They got the look, but the music is broken. I hate anyone that save us. The foul stench of this fun flavor. And the place that you can go if you like disco or techno. Pop songs, pop songs, pop songs, pop songs. Hi, boys and girls. Come on, get happy. I hate Puff Daddy and his friend, the dead fatty. I hate the Grateful Dead, but I'll be grateful when the rest of them are dead. And I feel like I'm on missing needles. How many fans can rip off the Beatles? And every day there is another band that got picked for playing a cover. I hate pop songs. I hate pop songs. I hate pop songs. I hate pop songs. I hate sweet Britney Spears and all the other ex-Mouseketeers. And if I hear another love ballad, I think I'm gonna have to toss my salad in. I hate teen idols. They can't send me old Michael Busy titles. There's nothing worse, at least to me. The stupid lyrics with the lame-ass melody. I hate pop songs. I hate pop songs. I hate pop songs. I hate pop songs. Pop songs. I hate pop songs. Pop songs. I hate pop songs. bite you. Every little thing, every little thing, every little thing, every little thing, every little thing that you go and do, make you wanna give it wrong back to you. Every little thing that you do and say, brings something out of the front of your face. Everything you do just makes you wanna bite you.